Hi guys, it's me Klim Anwar from Topic Techland. I hope guys you all doing well. Today our topic how to install font for Microsoft Word. So it is very easy, very simple. You just stay with me. I will tell you step by step. So first of all, to install font for Microsoft Word, you go on the Google browser. So when you go on the Google browser, here you type free font for Microsoft Word and press enter. When you press enter, this type of page will appear in front of you, and here you just scroll down and you see this option 1001 free font, download font. Click on it. So when you click on it, so as you see here guys, and here you can download your font which you want. Like I want this font, so I click on download. And as you see here guys, my font has been downloaded here. So let's try some other font. Like I download also this, and then go to our download, go to downloads, and as you see here guys that my two font has been downloaded. So I do double click on it, and here I install my font and click on install. As you see here guys, my font has been installed. So I just close it and I install my other font by this method again. So here I install my font. So as you see here guys that my both font has been installed. So let I open my Microsoft Word and to use this font. Open blank document, and on the upper side you see the option this, and in this box you type your font name. Like I installed two font. The first one is Hockey, and my font has been appeared here. Like I type something. Hi guys. As you see here guys that my Hockey font has been worked properly. So guys, this is a very easy method to install font, any font in your PC. So let I try another one. Play ball. So as you see here guys, my font has been worked properly in my MS Word. So guys, this is a very easy method to install any font in your laptop for your Microsoft Word. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you, and if you think that this video will be informative for you, so please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel for Pick TechNet. Thanks for watching guys. See you next video. Bye.